What if I told you there's a Bugatti so insane it launches harder than a fighter jet, destroys most hypercars, and reaches speeds that don't even feel human? This is the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. 1,500 horsepower, 16 cylinders, 4 turbochargers, and only 60 exist on Earth. But here's the terrifying part. Bugatti didn't build this car just for top speed. They built it to dominate everything.
Welcome back to Torque Cars Lab, where horsepower meets insanity. If you love hypercars, rare machines, and extreme automotive engineering, hit subscribe, smash the like button, and comment your dream hypercar below. Because today, we're diving into one of the craziest Bugattis ever created.
Hidden beneath the carbon fiber body is one of the greatest engines ever engineered. An 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16. That means 16 cylinders, 4 giant turbochargers, 1,500 horsepower, 1,600 Newton meters of torque. And the result? 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.3 seconds. That's hypercar insanity. But unlike silent electric performance cars, the Pur Sport feels mechanical, raw, violent. You hear the turbos inhale. You feel the engine shake the ground beneath you. This isn't just speed. This is an experience. Now imagine this. You floor the throttle. 100 kilometers per hour arrives instantly. 200 kilometers per hour feels effortless. 300 kilometers per hour hits like a missile launch. And somehow, the car still keeps pulling. Most cars become unstable at insane speeds, but the Bugatti, it feels calm, locked to the road, almost unreal. This machine can approach speeds near 350 kilometers per hour. And Bugatti became legendary for one unbelievable reason. Its ability to go from 0 to 400 kilometers per hour faster than most people can even process. No wheel spin, no panic, just pure, controlled brutality. This isn't acceleration anymore. This is teleportation. Here's where things get serious. Most Bugattis were designed for straight-line speed. But the Pur Sport? It was engineered for corners. Bugatti shortened the gear ratios by 15%, which means sharper acceleration, faster throttle response, more aggressive power delivery. The suspension became stiffer. The steering became sharper. And the aerodynamics were redesigned for massive downforce. Even the wheels were specially engineered to improve airflow around the car. For the first time ever, a Chiron felt like a true track weapon. This wasn't just luxury anymore. This was violence on wheels. Look at this machine. The giant rear wing, the exposed carbon fiber, the aggressive front splitter. Everything about the Pur Sport screams danger. Even the titanium exhaust system was designed to reduce weight, while sounding absolutely insane. And those signature quad exhaust pipes? Pure madness. Inside the cabin, it still feels ultra-luxurious. Alcantara everywhere. Carbon fiber details. A cockpit that feels like $1 million fighter jet. This car doesn't just look expensive. It looks forbidden. Here's what makes the Pur Sport truly legendary. Bugatti only built 60 units worldwide. That's it. Each one originally cost around $3.6 million. Today, some are worth far more. Because this isn't just transportation anymore. It's rolling automotive history. Most people on Earth will never even see one in person. And that rarity makes the Pur Sport one of the most desirable hypercars ever built. The Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport proves something important. A legendary car isn't just about speed. It's about emotion. And this machine delivers pure adrenaline every single second. 1,500 horsepower, a quad-turbo W16, near 350 km/h speeds, and only 60 in existence. This is what happens when Bugatti builds a monster for drivers. So, would you drive the Pur Sport or take the regular Chiron Super Sport instead? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share with every car enthusiast you know. This is Torque Cars Lab, and I'll see you in the next one.